Hello friends, welcome to my channel Let's Art with Aratrika. Thank you for staying with our channel and making or helping it grow day by day. So today I want to give a short and quick video about my recently purchased drawing materials, which are basically for the sketching or shading. So I thought of showing you what I have purchased, because it will give a glimpse of idea about in which paper or by which pencil you can start sketching. So this video is actually very beneficial for those who are interested to begin with the sketching or shading, or who have already started but don't have that much idea about which pencil they can use for making their drawing better. So let's have a look. Okay, so this one is the Bristol Heavyweight Ultra Smooth paper. This paper is basically for the sketching and drawing purpose, but this company is claiming that by this paper we can also in this paper we can also apply some watercolor or some because this is a ultra smooth surface, so it is resistant to repeated eraser and scrapping. And also we can use some tip pens or inks also we can use, or we can use the charcoal drawing also. So multiple medium we can use for in this paper. So I don't know actually how well it works, because I didn't start any project or my drawing in this paper because it is newly purchased. So once I'll do some drawing or do some sketchings, I will give you the more vivid idea about how this paper for the shading actually. So and this one is this is A4 size paper, which is actually the very standard size for any kind of drawing or sketching, and this is 250 GSM. So this is quite thick for any drawing. So what is GSM, on that I will make another video. So this one paper which I have bought, and apart from that I have bought this pencil, which is actually Staedtler 6 Mass Lumograph pencil. This is a graphite pencil. In this box there is 6 pencils, different different dimensions or different sizes, like there is HB, 2B, 4B, 8B. So I hope that it will work well, or it will make some realistic sketching or drawing, because I have used Staedtler brand before. In that time I have used 10B pencils, because for oil pastel and that kind of drawing sometimes it takes 10B pencil to make something dark. So that time my experience with Staedtler is very good. So now I will start sketching with the Staedtler graphite pencil. So once I will start my project, I will give you the proper review about how it works for those who interested in doing with their sketch. Okay, and apart from this I bought these two eraser. This is Derwent Soft Art Eraser. This is actually for the soft surfaces, what all we are drawing or sketching or anything like that. This actually does very good job, like that it is claiming, because it is claiming like it is highly effective erasing, like that it is claiming, but I don't know, because I really didn't use anything of this, because I recently purchased these things. So once I will start sketching, I will use these 3 items. So I will give you the proper idea about how this is working. So these all things I have purchased from Amazon.in, and I will give you the link in the description box. So you will get the idea from where you, if you want, you also can purchase. But before purchase, I think you just wait for the review, because I also don't know how well it works. So that's all. That's these are the things which I want to show you, because I want to start the next project of sketching with these materials, because previously I was using very normal kind of pencils like this one. This is very Camlin drawing pencils. This is like it's nothing very higher resoluted pencil, because this is very average pencil. I have done all my sketching with these pencils only. This is only, I think, 50 rupees. It is nothing. It doesn't give that much shading or that much effect. But I have done this because I thought of starting at least with something which I can afford initially. So now, as you people are seeing or liking the videos, I thought of making my art upgraded little bit. Okay, so these are the things which I wanted to show you, because recently I have purchased. So I feel very happy when I purchase something related to art or drawing a sketch, because I love doing that. And what is GSM or what is Bristol, those things also I'll make another video. And these things which I have purchased, once I will use, I will make another video. I'll give you the review. So because I think that whoever interested in starting with their sketches or drawing, they should know about the details, all the techniques of the materials, tools, so that they will have the clarity, they will have the clear idea that how well they can make their art or sketching better and better. So hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thank you so much for staying with our channel every day, and keep looking for keep watching my next upcoming videos. And please like, share, stay with us, take care, have a great week ahead.